Hi folks, finally our channel got SavipaTechZone got monetized. SavipaTechZone got monetized, and it's all because of your eternal support starting from day one to till now. So you have been watching my video and supporting me, liking my content, and thanks for all these things. And this monetization happened bit long back, but I just wanted to make this video once I complete the Accenture series, so that I just wanted to thank you all at a time after Accenture series, playlist gets completed. I hope with these videos that I've created, I've cleared most of your doubts, and many candidates have always supported me, and whenever I need some help, right, they used to respond to me very immediately. So some candidates used to ask me very new questions, so whoever have answered me, like I used to ping them for these new questions, and they used to help me out, so this is the way you need to do this. So again I used to convey those messages to the persons who asked me those queries. So it all happened like that. And okay, finally created first this channel on February 6th 2021. Actually, how it happened means like what made me create this YouTube channel, I just wanted to tell briefly. So basically, from my childhood, my passion is to communicate or explain the things what I know. Okay, what I don't know, that is I always will be a noun only, but what I know, I just wanted to explain it in a very clear way to other persons. So previously we don't have any YouTube platform or some other things to explain the details or information that I have, but nowadays YouTube is there. And as soon as I got the job, I thought of creating a YouTube channel. So in my first company TCS, it's not possible, it didn't even possible, because I need to go to office, and for traveling and all, the time used to get completed. But after Corona, we got work from home, right? So at that point of time, I thought of creating a YouTube channel. So as usual, like everyone does this. So whatever generalized things like how to delete Instagram account, and top YouTube keywords, keyboard shortcuts, and also vacuum driver that I bought. So I just wanted to do unboxing and setup video on it, and I bought a Realme 7 Pro at that time. So that unboxing and some board rockers, headset. So whatever I have, I started making videos on it. But the thing that I realized is, when I joined Accenture, at that time most of the people are eagerly waiting for 18K reimbursement, guys. So I thought, I also received the 18K reimbursement related items, so I purchased table and some furniture kind of things. So I also wanted to make a video on what I bought, and also how to get that 18K reimbursement once you join Accenture. So I created this video. You know what, compared to my generalized videos, I received some more views count to this video. So it makes me feel like if we make the content that is most needed by the candidates, like whatever I have prepared previously, right, those are already made by n number of people. So it is available for the most of the people, those solutions and all. So this one, right, it really clicked well, and the views are coming good, but I didn't receive much subscribers or comments like that. So thereafter I moved to another video. I started preparing video content for another one, which is Countdown to Accenture. So for this also, same as Accenture 18K investment, like around 50, 60, 100 views like that I'm getting. And the shocking thing here is, right, first one candidate have commented out. he conveyed like explanation is good and he's able to understand for one problem he's facing, he able to understand the solution from this video, like that he kept. And you know what, that really boosts me up, like it make me feel like okay, someone is watching my videos and he's able to understand and he's getting some doubts clarified. So that really made me much happy, and also it gives me some confidence to make some other videos as well. So this way this journey have started. And next I've prepared a video for welcome kit, guys. I think nowadays it is being delivered to candidates or not, I'm not sure, but when I joined it, welcome kit also everyone used to get. So on this I thought of making steps to get welcome kit, because most of the people would have shown what they have received, but I just wanted to tell the candidates how you can receive. Okay, that like two procedures are there. Like when I prepared this video, this is the old procedure, but now the procedure I've shared changed, and that video also I made later. But this video, right, compared to other videos, it got more views, guys. But you know, the mistakes that I've learned is from this videos only, like how to prepare video, YouTube video, because in the entire video I didn't put subscribe button. I didn't ask subscribers to like the video and share the video, like that. I didn't mention properly, you know. Sometimes even I would have mentioned in the mid of the video, but you would have skipped it. Like whenever we watch some videos and we get subscribed like this, we just forward the video, right? Maybe candidates who are watching my video would have forwarded it, and I didn't receive any subscribers more for this video. Views are coming good, but you know, subscribers still the same count, only 10 or 15 subscribers got increased. So later I, you know, if you can see like around 48k or 38k, I mean that views are coming, but no subscribers were there. So I from next videos, from further videos, I thought like okay, let me add subscribe button. Okay, in middle of the video, if I remind them, if I notify them to subscribe, then only we will be subscribing. So that is a human nature, it is inbuilt. If we remind them, then only we'll do, because we will be concentrating on watching the video, right, instead of thinking like to subscribe or like the video. So that's how I learned these things. So this way all the things I learned gradually. And also I've created accounts for SavipaTechZone in both Instagram and Telegram, so that instead of in the comment sections, always the reply section, right, once you put a comment and we'll be having reply section, right, for that replies I won't get notified in the YouTube studio. So if a candidate want to reach and communicate more clearly, it's better we have an Instagram account so that they can ping me and I can answer. So that's why I created Instagram. And also for Telegram, right, if I want to post some links or related to the video, like anything is the documents I wanted to post in the Telegram channel, so that's why I created the Telegram account. So this way somehow I could help a newcomer. Whenever a newcomer comes, sometimes HR will be telling fill the bank account details, or your probation period is completed. But as a fresher, some people might don't know what are those terms, right? Probation period means what, and what is PEEP and all those things. So it will be better if I could solve their issues through my videos. So that's the reason I just created those videos that will be useful to you, and I hope it really helped you. And this way, by making videos that are helpful to you. So the last video that I've made completely on Accenture A to Z, like I covered all the videos that I made for Accenture, you can watch it out. So by making these videos, finally I've reached to this count, guys, subscribers count 6.49k, and 4,000 watch hours also got completed. So that's how it monetized. So my next videos on this channel would be on the new company. After resignation in Accenture, I joined new company, so that videos I'll try to make, and also some other companies videos also from my friends or old senior colleagues, whoever are there. I'll just take reference from them and I'll try to make videos on those companies also. And the next thing, I'm planning to make videos on the career guidance, guys. Some people are telling me they got in Accenture only, like they got training on Hadoop, okay, but they were placed in some cloud computing at this point of time. Like their dream company would be Accenture, but got some other technology. So how they can proceed, what how to make their career in the right path in the dream company. So I'll try to gather tips and whatever experience that I faced. So all those things I'll try to make videos on these things also. So next thing is some technical courses also. I just wanted to make a playlist because like whatever I know, like Java or front end or SQL languages, that whatever I know, that technical courses, I just wanted to make some playlist and videos so that it will be helpful to you. And next thing is some useful gadgets, like whichever are helpful to me, like during my interviews, I mean virtual interviews, like that. Whatever I find useful, I'll just list out the gadgets and usage and unboxing thing. I will make those videos also. And next part is on interview tips and tricks, guys. So how you can prepare for interviews and what tips and what tricks you can use. So all those things that I have with me, so I just wanted to explain them with you whenever needed. And also we'll try to make some interviews or podcasts with some candidates who cracked the jobs in their dream companies. So we'll plan that, okay. And next thing is, so whatever in my experience, like work experience, whatever hurdles I'm facing and whatever things I learn to handle, so those things also, whenever we have time, we'll make try to prepare those videos also and have some conversations, okay. And these things I'm hopefully planning, guys. Hope it goes well as it does before. So now let's see the AdSense letter that I've received from Google. So this is the AdSense letter, guys, that I've received from YouTube, and I really feel happy. I already opened it, but I just wanted to show you people because I'm excited to make you view this one for STs at SavipaTechZone. So when I received this, right, it's like an achievement to me. It's like a hike or first salary, like that I felt. So this is how they will give me some pin so that I need to enter like within 4 months. If we don't use this, it will get expired. Again, it's a long process, guys. So this is what I received, guys, and thanks for all the support that you have given me immensely these days. And I'm wishing that you all support me further also, and share with your friends, colleagues, and whoever you feel it will be helpful. And please do watch, subscribe, and if you haven't subscribed till yet, okay, watching my videos and finding it helpful, please do subscribe and like the content. If you have any sort of queries, please comment me down in the comment section. And you can follow me on Instagram and ask your queries also, not only from Accenture. You can ask any personal career problems, or which path to choose, like that. Whatever I know, I'll try to help you the best. And thank you so much for this subscribing and support, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care.